So this is what's called a corner notcher. We use it to cut sheet metal of various thicknesses. It's very important to not exceed the limitations on the thickness, otherwise we'll be damaging the machine. The corner notcher pretty much consists of a table here, two blades that are perpendicular to one another that are hidden behind this orange guard. There's a handle on top here, and as we lower the handle, the two blades are going to be forced against the table, and this is going to shear our sheet metal. We can shear the sheet metal either in a straight line, or we can use the perpendicular of the two blades in order to cut a 90-degree corner into our sheet metal. So if we take our piece of sheet metal, we place it on the table. We can then line it up to our line with the two blades at the back of the corner notcher. So we line it up, we place it, we keep one hand on our piece of sheet metal to prevent it from moving around while we perform the operation. And then we take our other hand and we pull down on the handle. And we pull down hard enough for it to shear the sheet metal. Now we are still cutting steel. Steel is a very hard material. So it's going to take a lot of force in order to shear that sheet metal, more than you might perhaps assume. If we place our sheet metal on the front face of the corner notcher and we use the two blades to cut instead of just the one, then we'll get our 90-degree corner cut into our sheet metal workpiece. It's important to mention that when you're lowering the handle, you want to make sure that there's nothing underneath you or around you. Because of the excessive force required to shear the sheet metal, once you actually cut through the sheet metal, it's going to make a kind of pop sound and you're going to drop quite suddenly. So you want to avoid hitting anyone around you or hitting yourself against any encumbrance underneath. The other thing to mention is that when you use the corner notcher, make sure to put the handle all the way back towards the back of the machine. If you only put it about halfway, it will come back and swing towards you, so you just want to be mindful of that.